And then the other thing that I sort of looking back on it that maybe I should have focused more on when I was looking at medical schools was I feel like I spent a lot of time focusing on, okay, what is the first year curriculum like? Like, how am I going to get through the first year of medical school? But I think what's actually more important is what are the clerkship years like? Because that's really where like you learn medicine, not just like the textbook medicine, but you learn like the art of medicine. And that's often where you can distinguish yourself as a really fantastic student or a sub intern. And it's really those letters of recommendation that I think are important for getting into residency. So I would, focus on the first year in terms of like learning how to make the transition when you're applying to medical school. But I would spend a lot of time thinking about like what are the clerkship years like compared to other schools.